When we talk about AI, we're really focused on models and model development, and that gets an overwhelming amount of focus in the press. And when we talk about AI, we're talking about different models and model architectures. But when we get into the enterprise, what we have to do is we're going to have to move from these really, really large language models, ChatGPT being a great example of that, to much more purpose-built smaller models. Why? Because it's just practical. We can't go from a model that has billions of parameters and expect that to shrink down to something useful on the edge for an enterprise. It's just not going to work, right? And when we talk about use cases and very specific things that a business needs done with AI, it can't be a general model that's built for general questions. It has to be much more purpose-built. The second thing that's a big problem is it's not environmentally conscious. In other words, the amount of energy that is needed to train these models, these large language models. I mean, most companies cannot afford opening up a massive data center in Iceland, for example. It's not practical. So we're going to have to get into much more energy efficient, smaller models. So that means different types of model architectures. And that means platforms that know how to get from a large set of data to a much more purpose-built, use case-driven application that runs on the edge. That's literally what a company like ours is all about doing. That's how the platform was built, to enable an enterprise to prototype and experiment and build different applications, and then get them to a size and a quote-unquote software form factor that you can get on the edge, you can get running quickly, and you can get the data that you need. One new area that we're really excited about when we think about enterprise implementation of practical AI are so-called liquid neural nets, liquid neural networks, or LNNs. Silicon Valley loves its acronym, so here's the new one. But this one's really, really powerful. Why? It's very purpose-built, requires much, much fewer parameters to execute intelligently. It learns beyond the training data. So you've already gone live, and it continues to learn and continues to get smart. It's multimodal. So here I'm not just talking about vision, I'm talking about different types of modes, all coming together to do what? To give you real-time trends about your business. So you can take the right action in real time to improve your service to your customers and improve your margins. So we really look forward to bringing these new innovations to our customers. It's something that is just part of alwaysAI and how we're going about building an amazing platform in this exciting world of AI.